Oh, g'day guys.
Hi.
I'm Jordan.
I'm Jason.
And we're Mad Dogs.
Mad Dogs.
Stacey, I'm living in his front lawn at the moment, right? We'll show you that later. But Stacey liked my Cannon ute, because obviously we took it around Australia and it did so well. Jason got so excited and he wanted it.
Excited.
And what did you do, bro?
I bought a Cannon.
Huh? Look at this. Goes out and buys his own Cannon. But now, he looks at mine, he's like, I need mine to be big like that. So now, because obviously I've done all the fitting and I know all my stuff because I'm a professional at this. Yeah?
Yeah, professionalist.
Professionalist.
Yeah.
Absolute professionalist. We're going to take that silver one and make it big, right? So Stacey, what have you got getting done tomorrow?
Tomorrow, getting some treads on it.
Yep.
Hand cooked all terrains.
Yeah, some big dogs. He's going for the same size, 2.8, 560, 518. So he's going to put those on the standard wheels. We're just putting in the 2-inch spaces from Savage Tech in the front. That's what we're going to be showing you on this video. Then we're going to be doing roller shutter. And what was the other thing we got?
Tow bar.
Tow bar. Tow bar. We do want to get the beast bar, the non-hooped beast bar, we're thinking.
100%.
But yeah, is that the one?
Yeah, that's
the one.
The one I want.
So he wants to change it over to the non-hoop. So these are going to look pretty mint together very shortly, especially with these tyres. Because look at these tyres. He's just a little baby.
Just a little baby.
Isn't it? Oh, anyway, we're down here at Redland Bay, right on the side of the road. Like 100 people watching us record like we're a bunch of weirdos. Anyway, let's get this thing lifted. Yeah. We'll see you in the garage showing you how to fit this kit. All right, trusty toolkit's out. We're ready to go, and then at least this time we actually have 2 of these trolley jacks. So we're actually not going to struggle for once in our life. I think we've got this, and we've got 2 people. Oh, this guy's even helping me. Legend. Oh, let's get this thing happening.
Yes.
Oh,
Do it.
Something terrible just happened though. Let's quickly show them.
Yeah.
Look what we found.
So annoying.
Some CUNT. Look at this. Has opened the door and dented the car. The car is less than 15 minutes old?
Yeah, like 16.
We just picked it up just now. Oh man.
Oh, 16 minutes is more than less.
I don't know what less is more. Alright, more is less, same. Let's go. Jackaroonie. Hello, Danny. I don't know how I forgot this, but your brake caliper bolts are Loctited in, so an absolute crazy to undo. So enjoy that. Thanks, bro. Alright, this is where we're up to. Now to get to this section, you've got to undo that ball joint, smash it with a hammer. You should already know how to do that. You shouldn't be touching it. Take out that sway bar link, move that to the side. That pulls forward, brake calipers over here. Everything's undone, so you should be able to have all this movement to be able to get out your springs. Everything's undone, that's ready to come out. So we got to push this whole thing down while we pull that up, and the spring will fall out. Okay, so we're unboxing the spaces from Savage Tech. I'm pretty sure we've already have them. Do we have a look at these already?
No, we haven't.
First time out of the box, look at that.
Brand spanking new.
Came with a few bolts. So all that does is go straight on top of there, Stacey. Go for it. Here's the man. Oh ho ho. Very nice. You're a good bloke. We've got 2 women in the background, right? There's always some sort of, you know, audience, yeah? Like in the campsite.
Why not?
At least we don't have random people. Hey Blake, and Blake's here.
Hello.
Usually we have random people coming over and like, oh mate, your GWM's broken down.
Oh no, we're just upgrading it, mate, eh?
That was when I was at Lancelot, and I'm like, no, I'm literally fitting a lift kit to the car. So about 6 months ago, I fitted a full lift kit to my one. And I did it all in a caravan park. So jump on that movie is also on here, okay? So if you want to see a full lift kit get done, I've done that as well. So now we're just fitting up this little dogs here. It's going good. It's going good so far, mate.
Yeah, I'm just cross-lining it.
Very nice.
Get it on.
All right, one side is done. The spacer is in, springs back in. It's a bit of a bitch to do, but you just enjoy it, right? If you get one, mate, with a lever bar up in here on that corner, you can get that control arm all the way up there on the angle, rather than really mucking around trying to take the whole thing out, because that's quite annoying. But it is an option to remove that whole thing if you really wanted to. Anyway, if you lever that side up and you stand on this, don't pop your CV out, so be careful not to drop. If you pop your drive shaft out, it's not going to be a good time, yeah? But anyway, it's in. We're going to put the wheel back on and we'll do the other side. Won't show you too much of that, but we're almost done. Smashing it, Steve. Alright, Steve, he's putting the other spacer on. We've got the other side all apart, ready to be done.
Oh, can you pass the
You're the apprentice, mate. You can get that yourself. What a gun! What a gun! All right, we've just finished fitting up that, and it's sitting fully high up. It's higher than I thought it would be actually. Look at the height on that big dog. It's sitting so freaking even now. All right. Well, we've got a roller shutter and a tow bar to fit, so I still want to do the roller shutter more than the tow bar. I don't know if I feel like doing any wiring today. The car looks good. Watch it just drive back up the road. Oh, here's the wheels by the ocean machine. Oh, just look at it. So beautiful. Come and watch me fit this actual nitrogen suspension in my one. Look at it, proper suspension. But anyway, this is a nice kit. Damn, boys. Oh yeah. Who does this stuff hungover?
Me.
Like we had a big party last night, eh?
Yeah.
We are fitting the roller shutter now. I'm not going to show you too much of this because I have already done a video of me fitting one on my car, which is out there somewhere. But we'll show you in a sec how sexy Jason's ute's going to look with the cover. It already's got a massive lift now. Dog. It's already got a massive suspension lift. Huge. It's massive. It's a monster truck now. But we're going to put sports bars onto this one. So let's get started doing that. Alright, this is where we're up to. We're doing really well here. Alright, coming over here onto the grass. This is where you do things. The girls are still over here, a good audience. Jason's down here. This is what you have to do with the sports bar when you chop all this crap off. The other end, alright. If you basically watch Savage Tech's video, go for it, Kebab. You watch Savage Tech's video of how to install this. This is what they basically show you. So we don't need to show you too much of it, but anyway, I want to just show Jason on the tools. Look at him. What a man, what a man, what a man, what a mighty good man. So we're about to put this on. Our friend Joe's here. He's the only one out of all of our friends that doesn't have a GWM yet. But he's getting there, he's getting there. Right, loser, right? Loser! Love you, Joe.
Loser.
You get to be on YouTube.
Excellent.
Yeah, good. Are you ready, Kebab?
Yeah.
Alright,
Alright, let's do this.
bye.
Heavy, bro.
It's out there.
What's yourself? It's heavy enough I was going to be.
Oh, really?
Do you need me to do it? Stronger than you.
You are stronger than me. You have more vaginal tissue than me.
Coming out. There's music over this, right?
Watch the back there. Is that something caught back there? Oh no, just looks funny. Holy crap. This is awesome. Ah, so good. Alright, bro, go for a drive.
Yeah.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah,
Done.
that's it, done. Bit of super glue, happy
Yeah.
days. Ah,
That looks sick.
sick as. Alright, while Stevie's doing this, he forgot to put the tape on. Anybody who knows, he forgot to put the tape on, so we had to move the whole thing back. Idiot. Skipping steps. I'm gonna start fitting this tow bar. So here's some bolts and some brackets. I have no idea where they go.
Where'd that yellow? Oh,
And we're just gonna, excuse me?
Can I have the yellow knife, please?
There you are, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Alright, we'll see you when the tow bar's on and I'll show you where those bolts all went. Alright, so I was just holding the tow bar up, and if this side here's got that lip there, so the tow bar does bolt through here, you have one of your bolts has a sleeve on it. It goes through the top one. That sleeve fits perfectly through that top one, and I'll hold that nice and taut for you. Anyway, you have a wider spacer. The wider spacer goes here because it's the same flushness as that lip. So the wider space is on this side. The other side bolts up to here. And I'll show you soon. Those little things go through both those holes, comes in from this side. So that's fully protected. So you do put both of the ones with these spacers in here. Okay, that side, on your left hand side. Okay, so on the right hand side, you have 3 bolts. Then you've got your thinner spacers go in here, 3 bolt chuck. 2 of those you take out, that is your rear bumper bar support. So take out the 2 that were there, throw them on the ground down here. You replace them with the ones that they gave you. As I said, use those 3 spacers. That's there, we're about to tighten it all up. Around this side, you've got what I already showed you with the spacers inside. And then use your washers on the outside there. Then this little random shape spacer it actually connects onto this tow hook like this and makes like another little bracket that supports it even more from over here and that. So it's got 3 points of contact. Anyway, that's what that's for. And it comes with that little bolt. This one. There you go. All right, we're almost there. Almost there. All right, stay deep. Look at that roller shutter. That is beautiful. That's on there now. Tow bar is all fitted up. Look at that. Now you can tow things. I still got to do the wiring, but we're going to save that for another day because we've been working on this car all day. Remember we did the lift kit at the start of the day? Or the start of this video? Anyway, that's decking out Jason's GWM. He's getting the new tyres tomorrow, so I won't post this video without showing you those tyres. I think that's going to really top it off. Like they're really skinny right now. And then we're going to sell the tyres. We're going to sell the old ones. Remember, keep the old tyres.
Yes.
Oh, hey, wheels bloody ocean. Huh?
They're not old, then.
Yeah, sell the new old tyres.
Yeah.
All right, cheerio. Thanks for watching all day. We're buggered. We're destroyed. We'll show you the tyres. We'll show you the tyres tomorrow. Ready now. All right, Jason's been down at Jack's Tyres over at Capella Bar, and he's gone with their hand-cooked Dyna Pro all-terrains. He went to the same size as me, the 285, 65 18s. And he's going to reverse up next to my car just so we can have a quick look at the height now that we've got the lift kit and the same size tyres. If the spacers have done it at the same height. I'm on an angle with the gutter right now. We are literally the same. I've got the 2-inch lift in the back of mine and it's literally the same. Oh. Okay. I don't know, mine's a tiny bit higher in the back, but it's not like massively. Just put some spaces in, eh? Look how good it looks. All right, bro, get out of here. See you later. Well, look, I just keep on finding this guy out the front just admiring his car. He just had his stares at it. Dead set, 6 hours so far, he hasn't stopped moving. You bloody love it, eh? GWM Cannon. But I think those tires are too big, mate.
As if you wouldn't buy one of these.
Chinese rubbish, I reckon. These, before you start whinging about you feel like you're being racist almost. Chinese rubbish.
No, that's what everyone says.
Well, they don't know what they're talking about.
They're bloody brilliant.
Brilliant. Now look at this, 285/65. Somehow his ones don't scrub on the body mount. Because of the offset of the stock wheels is all good. So you can fit the 285/65 18s all good. FYI. There you go. If you put it on my car, because I've got the offset wheels, body mount chop. But I didn't do that, insurance company.